Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to turn on or off motion photo live photo on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this three dot icon and you will see if you want to turn on live photo and motion photo, so click on this icon. After click on this icon, you will see motion photo is turned on. If you want to turn off motion photo, so again click on this icon, you will see motion photo is turned off. You will turn on or turn off motion photo from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off motion photos on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.